This is Matt Walsh with your Minute with the Mayor for Wednesday, August 26th. To date, the virus has infected more than 22.7 million people worldwide and killed at least 794,000 in more than 7 months, according to the data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Currently, there are at least 30 potential vaccines in clinical trials, according to the WHO, but there is no guarantee that they will be safe or effective. One company that we've been following for the last 4 to 5 months, Johnson & Johnson, plans to begin what would be the world's largest late-stage trial testing of their potential coronavirus vaccine in September, the company confirmed Thursday. Their vaccine candidate is based on an adenovirus, a common cold virus carrying the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. The team worked with 52 rhesus monkeys. They immunized 32 of the monkeys with single shots of various versions of their experimental vaccine, and they injected the rest with a placebo. Only 6 of the monkeys received a shot of the vaccine version that the researchers believed to be optimal. After 6 weeks, the scientists exposed all the monkeys to SARS-CoV-2 and to see whether the vaccine had had any effect. Of the 6 that had received a shot of the vaccine believed to be optimal, none presented SARS-CoV-2 in their lungs, and only 1 had traces of the virus in its nose, suggesting the vaccine had repelled the virus. Their phase 3 trial would enroll up to 60,000 healthy people ages 18 and older across 180 locations in the U.S. and other countries. Participants will be randomly selected to receive either a dose of the potential vaccine or a placebo, according to the details of the trial, which will determine whether the vaccine is safe and effective. Those participants will be followed by researchers for more than the next 2 years. Through Operation Warp Speed, the U.S. government is providing billions of dollars to various companies, including Johnson & Johnson, that are working on a vaccine. As part of those deals, companies are ramping up their manufacturing capacity simultaneously with vaccine phase 3 testing to expedite the deployment of a vaccine should the vaccine prove to be safe and effective. Johnson & Johnson anticipates possible vaccine batches for potential emergency use available in early 2021. The company has previously said it would produce 600 million to 900 million doses by April if the vaccine works well. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's leading infectious disease expert, said earlier this month that scientists hope that the vaccine could be developed that would prevent the coronavirus and be at least 75% effective. But the White House health advisor said a vaccine with only 50 to 60% efficacy also would be acceptable. Widespread inoculation of a vaccine, even one with 50% efficacy, would help the U.S. achieve so-called herd immunity, the point where enough people have antibodies to fight off the virus and therefore significantly curtail COVID-19's rapid spread in the population. That's your Minute with the Mayor. Be kind and wear a mask.